understanding, healing awareness. Let yourself identify a challenging emotion that has been affecting you in your past, or perhaps it's one you're in now. Appreciating that you care enough to be aware, and that it's vital that you feel it fully. While you're aware of this feeling, ask yourself, can you feel a part of you that wants to care about yourself while you're feeling this feeling now or normally? Notice we usually get carried away, suppress, or judge these feelings. Come back and ask again. Can you feel a part of you that wants to care about yourself at these times? We could call this an intention to heal while you are feeling emotionally challenged. Do you glimpse how expansive it is to feel a challenge and want to find a way to care at the same time? Recognize that even though this is easy to understand intellectually, it's very difficult to deeply practice. Look closely. If it's fear, grief, or anger, or any other disturbance, how hard it is to concentrate and really zero in on what will be supportive and caring at these times. As you recognize the wisdom of this kind of integration, you'll naturally want to ask questions like, what actions or thoughts or healing qualities you need to take to best care for yourself as you feel this way? You may want to lie down, exercise, communicate, meditate, pray, listen to music. Whatever it is, you find your way. You may focus on courage, breathing in a relaxed way, or just on being harmless. Recognize this combination of awareness and a wish to move toward healing and well-being is a true beginning of self-compassion. Nothing we need to reject or suppress. Guiding ourselves without having to change our feelings at all. Let this be a guidance that you recognize you want to bring whenever inevitable challenges arise. Allow the difficult feelings to be as they are and look for ways to care. Allow the feeling and find your natural way of self-caring in your thoughts, actions, and qualities with as much kindness, gentleness, and strength as possible. You might say to yourself, be as gentle as possible when you're anxious, or be as strong as you can muster up when you're scared. Remember, there is no feeling that isn't worthy of your exploring how to care. There is nothing to suppress or judge, just a response that is in your best interest and caring for others. Know that we will be exploring how to continue to move toward caring with this foundation, adding practices to support this intention.